Gold is more than just a metal. It is a symbol of wealth and stability that has captivated humanity for thousands of years. Its value is deeply woven into the fabric of our cultures and economies. People turn to gold for many reasons. They see it as a safe haven, a place to protect their money when other investments feel uncertain. When stock markets tumble or currencies weaken, gold often holds its ground. This is why central bankers, and individual investors, pay such close attention to its price. The price, quoted as Xauusd, pairs 1 troy ounce with the US dollar, a constant dance. For traders, gold presents a world of opportunity. Its price is in constant motion. Geopolitical tension, inflation, and interest rate moves all send ripples through the market. This week, September 1st to 5th, 2025, we look to the charts. We won't guess. We'll read the evidence left behind on price and volume. Let's recap last week, August 25th through 29th, and build a plan. The last week of August was a telling period for gold. The market opened Monday around the $2,420 level. Early in the week, bulls tried to push price higher, but they hit significant selling near $2,435. Rallies were on weak volume, not enough to confirm a breakout. Wednesday showed a long upper wick and higher volume. Sellers stepped in. Institutional distribution was visible. Big operators selling into the rally. The rest of the week drifted lower, grinding action that saps bullish confidence. Price broke below the 2420 support and closed the week near 2410. A bearish tone formed heading into the weekend. Summary: failed bullish attempts, rising sell volume, and confirmed resistance at 2435. We'll use this week's evidence to build our strategies and indicator reads. To navigate gold, we rely on reliable strategies, not guesses. 3 core strategies: trend following, support, resistance, and volume price analysis. First, trend following. Identify higher highs and higher lows for uptrends, or lower highs and lower lows for downtrends. Trade with the flow. Second, support and resistance. Think of floors and ceilings for price. $2,435 is a confirmed resistance. $2,400 is the nearest major support. Third, VPA. Volume tells you whether moves have conviction. High volume breakouts often continue, low volume rallies frequently fail. Combine all 3. Trend to set direction, SR for entries, VPA for conviction. This gives a framework for informed trades, not gambling. Next, we refine our edge with 3 key indicators. We use moving averages, RSI, and MACD together to confirm the picture. Moving averages smooth price data. We use a fast 20 period and a slower 50 period MA. 20 above 50 equals sign bullish. A cross below signals a potential short-term shift. RSI measures momentum on a 0-100 scale. Above 70 can be overbought, below 30 oversold. At weekend, RSI was around 55 and falling, room for more downside. MACD compares 2 MAs. A MACD line crossing below the signal line is bearish. Our chart shows a bearish MACD crossover late last week. Histogram turned negative. Read together, Massachusetts, RSI and MACD reinforce the bearish case we saw in price and volume. The 20/50ths crossover threat increases the risk of a short-term trend change. Use indicators for confirmation. Set alerts at crossovers and watch volume at key levels. Summary: MAS hint trend. RSI shows momentum room. MACD confirms the recent bearish shift. Based on the evidence, my overall expectation for this week is bearish. Momentum from last week's selling likely carries into early September. Probable tests of 2410, then a move toward the psychological 2400 support. If break below 2400 comes with rising volume, expect extension toward 2385. Alternate, buyers defend 2400 with heavy absorption and a high volume reversal. A strong defense could push price to 2420 and potentially challenge 2435. Watch these levels closely: $2,435, $2,420, $2,410, $2,400, $2,385. The key rule: confirm moves with volume. Low volume drift equals sign possible bounce. High volume break equals sign trend change. Manage risk. Define stop loss, size positions, and follow your plan. Subscribe for daily updates. I'll be watching price and volume across these levels this week.